Hey everyone, this week we've got two big blue luxury cars. First up is a Cadillac DeVille by KK Scale. This is late 60s, I think 67-ish. Up to like early 70s was this body style. This is non-opening diecast. Good old metal, but nothing opens. KK Scale is kind of a value price brand. You'll see it reflected in the quality of details like the light lenses. Paint quality is okay. This is the second one I had because the first one from American Excellence had too many paint flaws for my taste. Grille detail, not bad. This would retail for about like $89. I got this on sale. I think it was buy two get one free and free shipping, so they wound up being about $40 per car when it was all said and done, which at that price, I'm not mad at it. One of the unique things about KK Scales, they actually do have springs in their suspension, which, you know, resin, you don't see that anymore. So you've got some highlights of diecast, but non-opening like a typical resin car. But again, this was $40-something. What really do you expect? So overall, I mean, again, happy to have a big old Cadillac. Would be nice if it was opening, but it would be substantially more expensive than I paid. Last up, this is a Bentley Turbo R. This would be late 80s, early 90s. This is GT Spirit. So this is full-on sealed resin. Wheel detail, perfectly adequate. Obviously, you're not going to see the brakes. Paint quality is actually quite good on this. The windows are right at best. You can see it bow a little bit right there, and the simulated trim. Rear window's fine. The raised decals are always nice. The grille is fairly well detailed. Good quality there. Interior is pretty good from what you can see of it. This is car number, if the camera can actually focus a little bit, that'd be nice, right? Car number 209 out of 500. This would have retailed for about $129, $149. I think I paid like $60, $70 for it. Again, happy with it at that price. That's a nice detail there too. Can't tell if that's open grills, but still, you know, typical good quality GT Spirit, which is always a little bit better than Auto for some reason. Packages are both pretty unexciting. This is your typical K scale. The Caddy was one of 500. They're not numbered though, so I don't know. I don't know how meaningful that is when it's not actually numbered. GT Spirit has been doing the same black box on all their kind of new releases. Nothing really to see. You got a little picture of the car on the outside. That's about it. So yeah, a couple sealed cars this week. I know some people really can't stand that, but that seems to be where most of the hobby is right now. So tune in next week, like and subscribe, and have a good one. See you soon.